Hello everyone. Now I'm going to tell you how to adjust your traverse using the method of compass adjustment, which we are normally called it as bowditch adjustment of traverse. First, take your traverse observation sheet with completing all calculations, including reduction of bearings. Create a neat sketch of traverse diagram on your AutoCAD Civil 3D and label it essential details. That means bearing, distance and note points. So after, save it in your computer. Before making the traverse adjustment, first of all you need to define the traverse. Now I'm going to explain how to get define the traverse in AutoCAD Civil 3D. Go to the Home tab. In this tab you can see Create Ground Data section. Here you can see the traverse icon. Click on drop down menu and select Traverse Editor. On this table, select Occupied Point as a point. Select your first point of the traverse in the angle column. Select the backside of the traverse. Then it will show as the initial backside. After selecting the traverse lines, you can easily define the traverse points. Then it will be automatically labeled the bearing and distance on your traverse using quadrant bearing system. After you save your traverse on your computer, then the same tab drop down menu and select Traverse Adjustment tool. Click on select button and load your saved traverse. Then immediately it will auto adjust your traverse. If you are doing this first time, you may see different adjustment methods. Hence, you go to the settings menu on the same window and uncheck other traverse adjustment methods, excluding compass method. Finally, you can click apply adjustment button and click the generate report. Also, you can save the report as WebHTML format or a PDF format of your traverse adjustment. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and share this video with your friends to get an interesting educational videos in future. See you all.